Good morning, students. Today we are going to discuss about how we hear. We already know human beings have an organ which gives them sensation of hearing, that is our ear. So today we will discuss about our ear. Our ear has three parts: the outer ear, the middle ear, and the inner ear. Now let us see which are the parts of ear which come under outer, middle, and inner ear. As you can see, outer ear consists of funnel-like part, that is pinna, and a canal inside. That canal is called ear canal. A membrane called eardrum or the tympanic membrane at the end of the ear canal separates the outer ear from the middle ear. This means our outer ear consists of ear pinna, ear canal, and eardrum, which is also called tympanic membrane. The second region of our ear is the middle ear. It consists of three small bones: the malleus, which is also known as hammer, the incus, also known as anvil, and the stapes, also known as stirrup. These three bones together form the middle ear. And in this, the stapes or the stirrup is the smallest bone in the whole human body. The last part or the innermost part of our ear is called inner ear. It consists of a coiled tube-like structure called cochlea. There is a fluid inside the cochlea and an auditory nerve which is connecting the cochlea to our brain. So basically the inner ear is formed of cochlea, the fluid present inside the cochlea, and the auditory nerve. You will better understand all these parts of ear by the following diagram. So this is ear pinna. As you can see, this is a funnel shaped structure which helps in collecting all the sound waves which are coming through the vibrations present in the medium, mainly air. And then those vibrations are collected by this pinna and it is allowed to pass through the ear canal. This is the ear canal. The innermost part of the ear canal is the eardrum or the tympanic membrane. So these three parts, ear pinna, ear canal, and the tympanic membrane, they together form our outer ear. We can also see tiny hair-like structures which are present inside in the inner wall of this ear canal, and some wax-like substance is also secreted from the inner wall of the ear canal. Both the tiny hairs and the wax secreted from the ear canal helps in trapping the dust particles which enter our ear through air, and it does not allow the dust particles to enter the inner parts of our ear. The second part of our ear is the middle ear, which consists of three bones: the hammer, anvil, and the stirrup. Anvil is also known as incus, hammer is known as malleus, and the stirrup is known as stapes. The stapes is the smallest bone present in human body. These three bones together form the middle ear. You can see there is a tubule or tube which is connecting our ear to our throat. Our three organs, that is eyes, nose, and throat, the three organs are connected with each other through tubules. So eustachian tubule is the tubule which connects our ear through our throat. The inner part of our ear consists of coiled tube-like structure. This is called cochlea, which is filled with some fluid in it. When air in the form of sound waves enters our pinna and passes into the ear canal, it vibrates our eardrum. The vibrations in eardrum that makes the three bones to move, and these movement of the three bones send further vibrations into the fluid present inside the cochlea, and the vibrations inside this liquid or the fluid inside the cochlea that was caught or received by a band of nerve which is known as auditory nerve, and this auditory nerve collects the sensation of hearing from the vibrations in the liquid of the cochlea and send it to brain, and then our brain finally converts it into the message which we can understand. So that's how we hear the different types of sound. So that's all for today. Thank you.